east, I believe, of the intersection of I-81, Highway I-81, and I-68 past Charlottesville, Virginia. It is a 5-hour drive from DC. It's in this sort of Massanutten resort, okay? It's sort of like a town woods course, okay? There is one road which runs through at least 5 or 6 holes where you're playing golf right next to this road, and they're not driving fast. A lot of noise on this road, let's put it that way. Okay, the second thing is there are a lot of condos around the course. There's some houses, but the condos are right on the course in a lot of parts of the course. The houses are one thing. The condos are another level entirely. The course otherwise is a nice course. It has significant verticality. It's certainly a good challenge. It has a lot of left to right slope on some holes and right to left slope on other holes, because all the holes in this course are on like the side of a bowl, like a big bowl, ski bowl, where the center of the bowl is where the ski resort is. On the right side, as you look into the bowl, is where the golf course is, and all the holes have some kind of slope, either a front left slope, a front right slope, or left right slope, or front to back slope, or something, elevated tee, something. Very few of the holes are flat, if at all, and this is a tough course. This is a no-joke, serious players course. There's another course at Massanutten, which is a much more open, big sky kind of course. I tell you right now, there's a par 3 on the course, which is ruined by the road, combination, the lake, combination, the fishing area, combination, the community center. There's another hole past that, which is a par 4, which plays by the parking lot for that, and the parking lot for the golf course. The number one, the first hole tees off right under like a bar that's on top of the pro shop and so forth. But you will be glad to see that bar when you get done with this course, because this course is weird. It is humid as hell, although there is a cool sort of draft that is there from the elevation and from the fact that it's in the mountains. It still is stuffy. It is humid as bad as in Washington DC, and it is bug infested, horsefly infested. You do get some good mountain views, and if you play the course around October, when the leaves are colored, you get some really unique mountain views. You could probably see them just as well on some of the courses around, say, Thurmont or Hagerstown or Frederick or Front Royal, which are less than 2 hours away from DC. I thought it was a decent course to go out and try to play and see what it was like. I'd heard about it a few times, and I wanted to just, go out somewhere, take a drive, and see what it was like. So I went out and played it. I can't say that I would recommend going to play this course unless you spend a fair amount of time on Skyline Drive or the Blue Ridge Parkway or in Southwest Virginia, where you're out there already. Then yes, okay. It's a decent course. It does have its rough edges, but it's fun to play in the larger sense. But you do have to take a lot of bug spray with you, and you do have to kind of deal with some condos and some noise coming off the condos. Certainly a fun place. And the bar is really cool. It is very cool. And it is a great bar with a great deck to hit when you are done playing this course and just sit there, chill out, and have a beer. It was wonderful. So that's the Massanutten Mountain Course in Massanutten, Virginia.